guys, it's your girl Cassandre and I'm back with another video. So for this video, this is actually my first review slash installing video. I was really I was so stressed to do this video before because I wanted to learn, I wanted to know how to do it before doing it. I'm a perfectionist on that point, but I got this result. I think for me it's really good for first, yeah, I think for me it's really good. If there's something that you see that is maybe that I can better myself in, please just comment. This year is actually from Osilee, but before that I wanted to say that for the people that are new on my channel, my name is Cassandre and I want to start doing vlogs, beauty videos, makeup, but I mostly talk about mental health and I mostly talk about how to better yourself. I want to start doing entrepreneurship videos a little bit now and then, because I do have a business. My business name is MC Boutique. I sell clothes, cosmetics, accessories, and yeah, that's it. I sell clothes, accessories, and cosmetics. Yeah. Yeah, so and for those that are not new, for those that are returning subscribers or returning viewers, thank you for clicking this video again, and thank you for supporting me. This means a lot to me. I'll explain why there's a big gap between my videos and another video, but thank you for the support and thank you for the one that are really watching right now. I don't want to make this intro really long, but this hair is from Osilee. This is the 200% or 250% density loose wave or loose deep wave, I don't remember. I'll put the link below for you to, if you want or is interested in the hair. I did put some colors in the end. It took the color pretty well. Like it. I'll give y'all an update maybe in 2 months for really to have more, time with the hair, trying out the hair, install it again to really know. But for right now, I think it's good. And also the only bad thing that I could say about it is the fact that it sheds a lot, but all hair sheds, so honestly disclaimer, the hair was really trash. It couldn't even last for 2 weeks. It tangles, and I tried to talk to the Osilee, to the company, and they said that it was my fault. I did a chargeback with PayPal. They told PayPal it was my fault that it was damaged, but the hair tangles. It was really a scam. Like, the hair couldn't even last for 2 weeks, guys. But anyways, please watch, as I'm still going to do the tutorial, so please watch the rest of the video for the tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe.
Ghana girl say she want marry me, yo. I hope so she sabi kukuwache. Hope your love go sweet past the sheet up. Baby girl, I say your body na killer, oh. Oh, yeah, I get it tired of your body, oh, yeah. Only on your body. Now there's somebody made a call, where see the wine, I see fire for body. And if you follow me, go dough. Die for the dough. Girl, I want me some wine for the dough. Girl, I ride for the dough. Girl, I die for the dough. If I sing for you, you gon' love me, oh baby, love me non-stop. I will love you non-stop. Always place you on top, baby, oh baby, oh. All over you are, want me, oh. Play the music non-stop. Tell them dance to my song. Tell them shake it bum bum. Oh yeah, that girl for the corner. There's somebody made a call. Oh yeah, they see the wine. I see fire for body, fire for body. And if you follow me, go now. Enjoyment go kill 'em. Baby girl, you body, tell me where you are. I demand over you, girl. I demand over you, girl. Say you are my woman, my superwoman. I demand over you, girl. I demand over you, girl. Die for the love. Miss you one for the dough. Last side for the no. Girl, I want for the die for the dough. Die for the dough. Girl, I want miss you one for the dough. Girl, I ride for the no. Girl, I die for the no. Ghana girl say she want marry me, yo. I hope so she's happy cuckoo watching. Hope your love goes sweet past the sheet on. Baby girl, I swear your body na killer, oh. Oh, yeah, I get it tired of your body. Oh, yeah, only on your body. And say, baby, why not?
You don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. Shayo. To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl insult. I'm a mind that's you the talk. My life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that care pose like the Baba Frayo. Don't cry, yo. I need to go and shayo. I need to go and shayo. I need to go and shayo. Obama, I dey try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you remake it have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani cat churu achuru. I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani cat churu achuru. I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll And if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, shadow.
Lil J, DJ Bobs, Cliché, say less. Jeje, where we go? Let's go. Jeje, oh my god, let's go. Let's get
DJ Bad.
Yeah, je fais le tour du monde, elle me follow. Quand est-ce qu'on reviendra? Y'a que toi, si tu pars, je suis solo. On dansera où tu veux, j'ai la sonne. Let's go. T'es mon œuvre d'art, t'es ma Mona Lisa. Le regard de Mona Lisa. T'aimes quand mes yeux sont sur toi. Fais-tu partie de ma vie? Dis-moi oui, je veux que nos sens s'unissent. Du lundi au lundi, du love pour toi, baby. Dis-moi oui, je veux que nos sens s'unissent. Du lundi au lundi, du love pour toi, baby. Oh, baby.
Kona, waka when you enter Maellecassandre. Baby, kona, will you give me sugar? Wahala. Macho Mona Lisa, 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 macho Mona Lisa. Girl, I'll be foolish if I don't let you indulge me. Your lips like poison. I take my chance with you. You're in denial. I'll show you I'm loyal. The water bomb way down like tsunami. Would you hold me down in the corner? Waka when you enter Maellecassandre.
Dis-moi oui, je veux que nos sens s'unissent. Du lundi au lundi, du love pour toi, baby. Dis-moi oui, je veux que nos sens s'unissent. Du lundi au lundi, du love pour toi, baby. Oh.
Macho Mona Lisa, 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 macho Mona Lisa.
Mon œuvre d'art, t'es ma Mona Lisa. Le regard de Mona Lisa. T'es mon œuvre d'art, t'es ma Mona Lisa. Le regard de Mona Lisa.
This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is actually my first video, so please be kind to me. But this is the final look. It's giving very much scalp. So yeah, I did not film what I did, but I put my foundation because here it was a little bit showing the lace and the cap, so I put my Fenty Beauty. I put it on my hand and I rubbed it, and I put the like a little bit on my lace, and here it really matches with my foundation, so it's given like the kind of scalp thingy like look. But this is from Osilee. Yeah, so I hope that you like the video. I hope that you like the way it came out, and yeah, that's it. Well, thank you for watching, and see you for my next video. Bye.